This is why you need to understand the stock market. It's simpler than you think. Let's dive in. Picture this. The stock market is like a giant auction house, but instead of bidding on art, people are buying and selling parts of companies. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. Think of it like owning a slice of your favorite pizza joint, minus the cheese. Stock prices fluctuate based on supply and demand. Good news about a company? Prices shoot up faster than a SpaceX rocket. Bad news? It's like watching a balloon deflate. So who sets these prices? It's a mix of investors, financial gurus, and sometimes just plain luck. Imagine predicting the weather, but with more numbers and fewer umbrellas. Remember, the stock market isn't just about making a quick buck. It's also about supporting companies you believe in. Think of it as being their virtual cheerleader. No pom-poms required. And that's the stock market in a nutshell. It's a roller coaster of highs and lows, but with some knowledge and a pinch of luck, you'll navigate it like a pro. Thanks for joining us on this crash course in stocks. Stay curious and keep exploring. Happy investing. Happy.